Believe it or not, scientists backed by the Pentagon's research agency DARPA have tested a smart chip that can mimic human brain functions while flying in a drone. These smart chips, which are neuromorphic, have been researched in academic and corporate labs for about 7 years now. They operate by tapping into a network of neurons that communicate in spikes of electricity. And not only are they more energy efficient than a conventional chip, they also have the ability to reprogram themselves to learn new skills. But now scientists with HRL Laboratories Center for Neural and Emergent Systems have taken that chip and found a way for it to learn on the fly, quite literally speaking. It's all laid out in a recent MIT review that outlines an experiment that tested the drone using 3 different rooms. The first time the drone was flown into each room, it used incoming sensor data from the walls, the furniture, and other objects in the room to create a pattern of electrical activity. According to the report, that triggered the device to figure out that it was in a new space and also caused the ways its neurons connected to one another to change in a crude mimic of learning in a real brain. Those changes meant that next time the craft entered the same room, it recognized it and signaled as such. But perhaps what's so unique about this device is its size. This particular drone is 6 inches square, 1.5 inches high, weighs only 93 grams, and uses only 50 milliwatts of power. And that's astonishing considering how much power it would take for a conventional computer to run software that could learn the DNA of a similar room. Not surprisingly, the laboratory's owners, GM and Boeing, are already considering how they can commercialize the technology. It's one that could really revolutionize how artificial intelligence is incorporated into many different industries, and that includes surveillance. There are a lot of questions about what this might mean for privacy, especially considering this is a small, fairly inconspicuous aircraft with a tiny electric brain. In Washington, Amira David, RT.